In today's video, I'm going to teach you effective navigation through QuickBooks to manage your financial records seamlessly. If you're looking to delve deeper into QuickBooks functionalities, this guide is dedicated to helping you get the hang of accessing and interacting with your reports efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or need a quick refresher, stick around to learn how to manage your records like a pro. Let's kick off by opening your browser and heading over to the QuickBooks homepage. Simply type in the URL or click on your saved bookmark if you've visited this site before. This is where all your accounting tasks and tools are centralized, making it your go-to dashboard for handling business finances. Once you're on the home page, turn your attention to the navigation bar and find the Reports tab. Clicking here opens up a treasure trove of valuable financial insights. Reports in QuickBooks offer a variety of detailed overviews and analyses that help keep track of your business's financial health, from profit and loss statements to balance sheets and cash flow forecasts. Now that we're in the Reports section, go ahead and select Journal from the list. The journal report is indispensable for those times when you need to examine detailed transactions and entries. Think of it as a comprehensive diary of all your financial activities that are vital for auditing and tracking errors. When your journal report loads, direct your focus to the specific date entries found there. For this demonstration, we're going to click on July 10th, 2025. Each date entry in the journal acts as a snapshot of all the transactions that happened on that particular day, helping you pinpoint specific activities or discrepancies quickly. After selecting the date, the next step is to explore the More Actions menu. This is your command center for additional options related to your current task. Through this menu, QuickBooks offers functionalities that are not immediately visible, helping you perform additional actions like modifying or scrutinizing specific transactions without clutter. Now, if you happen to notice any discrepancies or entries that need to be revised or undone, you'll want to select the Delete option. A word of caution here, only delete transactions if you are absolutely sure they are incorrect and need removing. Deleting an entry will permanently erase the transaction from your records, so it's wise to double-check before taking this irreversible step. And there you have it. A succinct journey through QuickBooks focusing on accessing reports and managing transactions. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to efficiently oversee your financial records, ensuring accuracy and reliable record keeping. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more useful QuickBooks tips.